Welcome to the future of home growth. Pure, effortless, and completely sustainable. Experience the Galaxy Aeroponic Tower.
To create the Galaxy Tower, we didn't just copy nature, we learned from its absolute mastery and geometric efficiency. It's nature's perfection.
It captivated us. It wasn't about making a product, but about obsessing over every curve and water channel to achieve perfect efficiency. It's not just an aeroponic system, it's nature's perfection, reimagined. And when you see it work, you realize it was worth every single month of refinement. Healthy, fresh and organic. Galaxy Aeroponic Tower was designed to adapt to you. Customize it to fit your space, your needs. Galaxy Pro, Galaxy Pro Max.